We got sound effects for that. Good afternoon, good morning, dropping F-bombs in the beginning. Started off with some energy.
Got our ticket to Taiwan last night, Taipei to be exact. We still have to figure out the details. We'll be there for a week, most likely, and then head to Hong Kong. Stay tuned for that.
So that's the update. That gives us about a week here in Thailand before we leave.
And we're planning, we're actually planning and figuring out like the end of the year travel stuff.
Today's plan, go rent a motorbike and we're just gonna go explore a little bit. Maybe waterfalls, a beach, big Buddha mate, I don't know. Wait to see what's in the area.
And then we're gonna go hang out by the pool here because it's really nice and we get a nice view of the ocean. We may jump in there as well.
Let us just finish up around here and then we'll go do something. Okay, I'm tired of getting this like crazy farmer's tan. All my shirts still have sleeves on them. So I'm about to make myself a little tank. Step one, I fold it in half so that way both sides are kind of even. That looks good. As you can see, this is pretty scientific. Ooh.
That was easy. Ooh, you need a tan.
And
you have another headband.
this place was only like 20 bucks. And it has like the pool you guys saw, beach access. It's better than we expected. The last like 4 days it's been so cloudy and windy. Today the sky's blue, it's not that windy. Perfect day to get out and explore.
While Mark's signing his life away for the motorbike, I'm going to show you our gym. Even though we haven't used it, but if you want to book here, there is a gym. Whoa.
This is actually a good helmet too, because usually they're like really cheap.
Chintzy? Mine is cheap. Ooh, a little padding for me.
Something different, you and I will lose a moment in this life. We'll be there till the end, I swear. We'll fade away.
We made it to the second waterfall. Our first, but the second. I'm not sure if you can walk to the first from here, but we'll find out. So there's a lot of tourists here. There's like elephant trekking, I think is what they call it. But if you guys don't know, it's not good for the elephants for you to sit on their backs. As much as I'd love to ride an elephant. You look challenged.
Do a challenge, come on.
You're gonna make me drop the camera. God. Genius. Elephant safari, ATV, another safari package. Ooh, there's a restaurant with a swimming pool. Aww. Hi, Mr. Elephant. Oh, he has chains on. There's a baby.
It's amazing how much dexterity these guys have with their trunks. He's like using one foot to hold the leaves down and he's using his trunk to break the leaves off. It's crazy.
I can feel your heartbeat too. The moves of me and you.
Oh my God, these things. I don't know if I've ever been up like this close to one.
No.
It's so massive how big its head is. Its entire body is so giant. Oh my God, it's amazing. Little scratch action. Don't hurt yourself.
They're not like smelly either.
Look at them like all the ropes and stuff. Feel bad. Fighting the urge to buy some bananas and feed them, but that I feel like that would be supporting the cause, and they're making money off the elephants. Someone told us about a friendly elephant sanctuary up near Chiang Mai. We haven't researched it yet, but we want to find a place that is actually truly a sanctuary and not just marketed as one. So if you guys know of any, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Whew. Damn.
It's a hill. Weren't expecting this.
Oh, okay, deep breaths. It's hot too.
So out of shape.
We're gonna blame it on the heat though, and not our lack of physical fitness.
Feeling now is all we've got. We built our walls so high.
Could have drove up here.
And it's 50 baht to get in per person.
Oh, he looks like such a vagabonder right now. I was telling Mark that it doesn't look like anyone is like wet from jumping in the water. And I hope that it's clean enough that we can jump in, because I'm wearing my swimsuit.
Thank you, Go Cub.
The time is near. Something different, you and I will lose a moment in this life. We'll be there till the end, I swear. I promise it won't fade away. Something different, something different, something different, you and I. Lose a moment in this life. Something different, something different, something different, you and I. Something different. Can you feel it? Can you feel it?
How's the water?
I forgot to bring the GoPro with me. So Mark is going up to scout. I think there is a little pool here. He looks like Tarzan.
Lose a moment in this life. We'll be there till the end, I swear. I promise it won't fade away.
Ooh, battle wound.
Sometimes you gotta do it for the Instagram.
No?
Oh man, and I got sand in my
Still?
I don't know how I got it. Sand always in my You know what I mean.
I know. The waterfall was really nice. Well, it was refreshing, I meant.
Yeah.
Like the temperature.
It was alright, the water was nice.
Yeah, it's been a while since we've been at like a waterfall we could jump into. I think Philippines, Koh Samui Falls was the last time. Now we're headed back down. I don't know if we're gonna go see the waterfall one.
I cut my foot because I was trying to get a cool shot. Since we are our own photographers, you have to set the 10-second timer with a 3-photo combo, and then I'm forced to run. I tried to like jump down part of the waterfall and it was so slippery. Things I do to get the shot. And the shot didn't even turn out. Okay. Now I'm gonna navigate this without you guys so I don't bust my ass.
This is gonna be so hard to tell. This is where we were, and there's another waterfall right next to it. So if you guys come, go check it out because it's so close. Damn it.
You guys.
I'm not gonna record anymore if you make fun of me.
Oh, but I like it. I like
No.
you being your goofy self. I like that people get to see it.
Shut it.
Okay, let's see how high you can go. Let's see how high. Oh, damn!
Oh.
What is this for?
Oh, bye.
Oh, he's touching you back. Is there a boy or a girl? A boy? What's his name?
Paitun.
Haitun?
Paitun.
Paitun?
You can see me? Sit on top.
No, no.
Okay, thank you.
So that was a nice little surprise, getting to interact with the elephants. Paitun. Said he's a 3-year-old male. I had a feeling as soon as he asked us if we wanted to sit on him that there was going to be a little bit more. I didn't want to tip him, but at the same time, it's like...
Yeah, I'm torn. And like, who knows? It could be a nice sanctuary. We haven't done research. Hopefully it is.
Yeah, so we tipped him, and I don't know. I hope they treat the elephants nice here. So I think we're just going to forego the other waterfall spot. Oh, shit. And we're just going to find a sunset place.
Get some food?
Get some food. We haven't eaten all day. Okay, where's our bike? We got the baller bike. I'm telling you guys, this is the best motorbike we've had. It's not the fastest, but it's like the Cadillac of bikes because it's so comfortable and it's big. Another elephant. Oh, they're everywhere. They're so cute.
Hopefully there's a spot over there.
I don't know. I'm not sure about this place. We just ran into a Russian couple. Kind of spoke English. They said the view is not that great. Yes, we got about 20 minutes till the sun goes down. Okay, you just want to see the view? So it's not incredible, but you can see the sun starting to go down. This is actually a pretty nice view because there's a cool island out here and the sun is going down right behind it. What are you doing back there? Check it out.
Just edited some of the photos that we took from the waterfall. Some of them are funny as hell. Oh my
Especially
God.
the one where he was trying to run down on a 10-second timer.
The one where I cut my foot.
Yeah.
We're getting excited about Taiwan. We're looking at like what to do. Everyone's giving us recommendations.
That, and I'm looking at other tickets leaving Taiwan. The plan right now is to go from Taiwan to Hong Kong. But I was just double checking just to make sure we weren't missing any cheap flights going to, I don't know, Japan.
She's over here watching Japan documentaries.
I really want to go.
On Netflix.
It's so expensive though.
Tomorrow
Issues?
we are probably just gonna hang out. I don't know if I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
We're gonna end up staying here in Koh Samui for a couple more days before we head back to mainland Thailand.
Yeah.
Let's call it.
Alright. So give the video a thumbs up if you had a good time watching us. And leave your comments and subscribe if you're not already.
Talk to us.
Beastie.
Talk to us. We love hearing from you guys. We love talking to you guys. We will see you guys in the next video. See ya.